people, this is a film that's, well, it's a video that I filmed, and it's to One for the Road. So, while I'm talking to One for the Road, I'm going to have One for the Road. It's about some missing videos that I have. I thought I'd done a series on bending, and when I've come to look, thanks to One for the Road, it brought it to my attention that there's only one film on bending. There's only, I don't know, there's one or two videos on bending. So I went through what I've got, and I found a few more that I'm going to post up now. I don't know what happened. I don't know whether YouTube's took them off or whether I've lost them, or I had an upset a year or two ago about missing videos. So anyway, I'm going to put them back on. So One for the Road, here's One for the Road. See you later. Hello everybody, welcome back to Tom's Tips. And I've had a couple of suggestions which I'm going to get through and do some for you. One was something to they wanted me to put the camera somewhere, which we're not doing that one because one, YouTube wouldn't allow it, and two, it would be painful for me, so we're not doing that one. Another couple was to do straight bends with copper tube, more bending videos. Well, okay, we'll start with this one. We're going to put two bends on here. I've already put one bend on. I'm going to drop it in the clip because the one bend, there's no trickery to that. You know how to do that one. Plop that in, and we're going to bend it so that it falls in these two other clips that are running parallel with it. So the best way to do that is to drop another piece of pipe into those clips, and where that pipe meets that pipe, we'll put a mark there, and that's where we're going to bend it. Get my bender. I'll move this out a bit so that we can see what I'm doing. Right. Pencil mark is going to lie so that the pencil mark will be at 90 degrees with that former there. Because if you imagine that when that's all done and finished, that's where the pipe's going to be. It's going to be lying, the end of the pipe's going to be lying there, so that's where we want to set it up at, so that lies there. Once we've got that where we need it, you need two pair of hands for this really, so I've had to shift that now while I set that up. You don't need two pair of hands, but what I meant was to try and show you this might work and it might not. It's a bit hit and miss. You know, it's not brain surgery. And if the worst comes to the worst, you can always cut it and put a cup in. So we'll give that 90 degrees now. Now when you're bending, it's better to go slightly past 90 degrees, because you can spring the copper back, but if you try to spring it over, you'll probably kink it. So what I normally do, I stick it on the floor and see if it's pointing towards the sky horizontally. If not, tweak it one way or the other. Now that should fall in the clips. I don't rehearse these at all, so what you see is what you get. Now that's a bit twisted, so I'll just untwist that a bit, and there you go. It falls in the clips. Right, so that's one suggestion that somebody's asked me. The next one I'm going to do in another video. I'm not going to do it now because I've got to be off in a second. But we want to do a crossover, a full crossover. The other one was a half crossover. So I'm going to do that next. I'm also going to do more for, somebody asked me how to change radiators, take radiators off for a decorator. I'm going to do that, and all the other clean ones I'll do. I've picked one or two trolls up actually, and you know, they're coming along and saying, you know, what you're doing, you want to put plumbers out of business. I don't think so. Well, I won't take any notice of bloody trolls. You know, what a bloody load of... Anyway, see you all again later. Bye.